Hello everyone, welcome to the Python programming series and the date things. Now, next one is the comments and doc strings, guys. Okay, so this is comments. Comments means very simple. Comments are nothing but it won't execute the code. Okay, comments are defining what type of code you're writing. Okay, in your file, in your program files. It defines only. It is not going to execute any code. Okay, it is just the purpose of your code. What the purpose of your code? Just explain the purpose of your code. That's it. Okay, so let's example here. I want to, this is the numbers, right? This is the numbers I'm doing. Okay, so if you want to do this, I can use this symbol. Okay, I can use this as symbol, and this is enter. I mean, entering the number one and number two and sum of those. This is the comment. Okay, by reading this comment, you can understand, okay, the below code is belongs to, okay, sum of number one and number two. Yep. Okay, and this is for as symbol. This is enter the enter the name enter the name, right? So this is printing the name or display the name. Correct. Okay, let's go back. So we can do the comments in multiple ways. One is a single line comment and multi-line comments, guys. Okay, single line comment or multi-line comments. So if you see the single line comments, we'll go with this hashtag. The hashtag we use the single comments. So example here, I'm going to declare something. Example, I want to declare a variable. Okay, age is equal to 20, and here you can write above hash symbol and declare the age variable as 20. That's it. So that means this code defines, okay, the declaring the variable age variable with the 20 value. Okay. Now, if you want to name is equal to Ramesh Kudikala, right? So this is a name declaring the string variable name as Ramesh Kudikala. So by reading these comments, you can easily understand the program, why it has written, the purpose of the code. Okay, so this will explain us, what is the purpose of your code, why you are written. Okay, got it right? Gap. Okay, so this is the single line comments. I mean, you can use this hashtag and you can write multiple things. You can here name is equal to Ramesh Kudikala. Okay, like this you can use it. No problem. You can have the multiple a single line quotation, a single line comments. All right. Now let's go with the multi-line comments. So how do you use the multi-line comments? Let's say you have the bunch of code here. You have the bunch of code. Let me go to the files. Yes, bunch of code. Let's come here. We can use the single quotation three times. Enter. Sorry. Yes. Here you go. Now you can write anything here. Okay. You can write anything in between this. Okay. So this is the multi-line comments for the below code. You can read like this. Okay, this is another second line, another second multi-line comment. This is third multi-line comment, multi-line comment, line comment. Okay, but if you use the hashtag, right, so you have to declare hashtag every line. But if you don't want to do that and you want to declare multiple comments, multi-lines, okay, so you can use the three single quotes, and in between you can write the comments. Okay, so this is what you can declare it. This is what you can declare it. Okay, and one more thing is doc strings. Okay, the special multi-line comments at the beginning of the function are models. Okay, special multi-line comments at beginning of the function are models. So you can use like this. Um, second. So what is a docstring comment in Python? A docstring is nothing but, we are using for the short documentation string. It is a special kind of, string used to document a specific segment of the code. Okay, you have the bunch of lines of code, you want to comment that. So for the bunch of, code, you want to have the comment. Okay. So in that case, you can use for module, you can use for class, you can use for function or method. So for any method you want to have the docstring comment, you can use this docstring comment for a meaningful definition. Okay. And it helps others, like example, in future, okay, understand the other code, the code does what the code does, and not just how it works. Okay. So the other people will understand what is the purpose of the code they have written. And the syntax of docstring, it is we use the double quotes, okay, three double quotes, and then in between you can add the comment and or three single quotes. Okay, it is for the multi-line comments, and it is a place just below the definition lines of the functions like methods, class, and models. So we can use it for the function, method, class, or models. And this is how we can use it. So if you have a method like example def greet name, this is a method with the parameters. So here you can use the triple quotations. I mean, uh, double quotes, you can use it three times. In between, you can write the comment. So this function takes a name as input and in returns a greeting message. Okay, and quotation ends here. And you can also, I mean, this is the code written of f hello and name, and this code will not execute. I mean, this line will not execute because it's a comment. And this is for the method level, this is for the class level. Okay, this is for the class level, and you can say a simple class to represent a person with the name and age, and this is the codes or docstring codes. And the def initialization methods and self name age, and here also initialize the person's name and age. Self dot name is equal to name, self dot age is equal to age. Okay, so this is how we can use the doc string. Okay, I'm going to declare here now double quotes here. Yes. Okay, here you can write this code. So C is a string variable, string variable, string variable, and converting them to converting them to float variable, float variable, assigned to assigned to different value, assigned with a different value, assigned with different value. So this is how we can declare the docstring comments, guys. Okay. So it is a multi-line only. So, but it's using the docstring. So the using the three quotes, double quotes three times. In between, you can write the comment, and you can end up again use the same quotes. Okay. So this is how we can use it for the class level, method level, function levels. Okay. Like that, we can use it.